Tired of manually copying and pasting real estate agent data? Let's unlock the power of web scraping to effortlessly extract agent contact info and agency details using Webharvy. First, download and install Webharvy. Once it's open, copy the URL of the Realtor website you want to scrape and paste it into Webharvy's address bar, then press start. Now, the magic begins. Use Webharvy's intuitive point-and-click interface. Simply click on the agent's name on the web page. A small selection box will appear. Right-click inside the selection box. A context menu will pop up. Choose the capture text option. This tells Webharvy to extract the agent's name. Repeat this process for other essential details like phone number, email address, and the agency they work for. Just point-click and choose capture text for each field. To scrape multiple pages, locate the next button or pagination link on the website. Click on it and select Set as Next Page Link. This ensures Webharvy crawls through all the agent listings. Once you've defined all the data points and the pagination, click the Start Mining button. Webharvy will now automatically extract all the information you specified from every page. You can even schedule this process to run automatically. Finally, review the extracted data in Webharvy's results window. You can then export it to Excel, CSV, or any other preferred format for easy analysis, marketing, or whatever you need it. For now, you have a powerful way to gather real estate agent information.